Hi there, students. Visage. Okay, visage is a countable noun. The first meaning is your face. Yeah? A person's visage is their face. So there were dirty marks all over his visage. After various hours, he finally was shown the visage of his newborn son. The visage of the actor was full of sadness. I could see his moonlit visage at a distance. Okay, so the face. But notice you can also use this metaphorically to mean the look of something, the aspect of something. So the visage of the town was of a dirty, poor industrial area. Yeah, its appearance, its aspect. The sunny visage of the fields, dappled by shadows. Yeah. The visage of the battlefield was very depressing. Okay, notice this word visage. This is pretty literary, so you need to be careful when you use it. The town had a ghostly visage. Yeah, it looked like it was haunted. And then visage, the face, your countenance. Yeah. Okay, so his visage was covered in hair, yeah, or a happy looking visage. Yeah, the sad visage of the crowd quietly milling around was a sad looking scene. Okay, so the appearance of something, how it looks, how it appears. At first visage, I think at first my preliminary view of the scene was of a peaceful, tranquil visage, yeah, but underneath that was certainly not the reality. Okay, so the aspect, the appearance of something, yeah. The visage of the people present showed very clearly how they felt. Okay, so formality. This word, I think I'm going to give it a 7.5 in formality. I don't think I would use this in an informal conversation. In a semi-formal conversation, probably not either. Maybe in a semi-formal writing, just about, but it would need to be something literary and descriptive. So semi-formal writing and above, 7.5 in formality. And then as to origin, well, it comes from the French word visage, meaning your face, which itself comes from the Latin word vistus, a look or a vision, from videre, to see. So the visage, the face, the countenance, and then the visage of something, how it appears, how it looks. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Visage.